Brother Paddy. He died when he was 11 in the terrible winds of 1987. His heart flew off and he tried to get it back. He died when he fell on the railway track. Toot, toot.
The terrifying admission, Monster Cage.
We built this cage for a monstrous child. It can't be set free in the community because it's such a monstrous, horrible thing. Yeah.
And the military misery of Horse Reared Up.
The horse reared up at the policeman's parade. Everybody panicked. My mother dropped a sandwich when the horse reared up at the policeman's parade. We should have stayed at home and watched it on our phone. The day the horse died up at the policeman's parade.
Caravan Park, the new album from Mulligan and O'Hare.